Good afternoon, Bears. Welcome back. It's week 5, and I'm Pablo.
And I'm Jackie reporting from the BTV studio.
Bears, be blood donors. Give the gift of life. Help save lives. Sign up during lunch to donate blood tomorrow.
For those interested in bowling, the bowling team will hold tryouts September 29th from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m., September 30th from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m., October 6th from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m., October 7th from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., and October 8th from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. The cost is $15 for 8 games. For more information, contact Mr. Blyer in C204.
Want to have some fun golfing? If so, the Golden Stars, the Starlets, and the golf team have teamed up to sponsor Golfing with the Stars. On October 14th, early registration runs until September 30th. For more information, see coaches Brock, Ryan, or Duncan.
Looking for something to do during the football bye week? Next week, come out and support the theater department's fall show, She Kills Monsters. This is an action-packed story sure to entertain everybody. Tickets can be purchased online or in the Black Box Room B107.
Varsity Lady Bears Basketball players will sell bundt cakes for $20 until October 8th. They have 5 different and delicious flavors: lemon sock it to me, banana nut, Dutch apples, and Mississippi mud.
Teachers in the C wing downstairs and the E wing, both upstairs and downstairs, get your recycle bins out. Student council members will come out around today after school. For more information on the recycling schedule, contact Mr. Lopez.
Well, this is all we have for today. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears, and if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
We also have a link on the Brennan website. Have a great day, Bears.
BTV, 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 BTV.